Alright, hello guys, this is Caleb here, and me, Dalton, and Ethan are going to do a demolition. Yay. Prestige, nothing, son. It's me too, yeah. So your prestige 4? And other stuff. Let's do
Demolition. Defend the objectives.
Alright, let's go. Random grenade. Random flashes. They all ended up on the roof. Who's dead? Oh, dude, it's like laggy. It's laggy badly. See, this is what I kind of don't like. This is why I only like zombies on this game, because it lags a lot. No, not to me at all. I haven't seen a single lag on zombies. Well, I have seen a little bit of lags, just not as much as you actually think. I haven't seen a lot. I've only seen like one or two. I just run around the map and try and kill somebody. I don't get the bomb. I don't care for the bomb. It's just a bomb. You're trying to explode something. Yeah, so we're defending. Go defuse it. Defuse it.
The bomb has been planted.
Me too. Dang, they got 2 bombs planted. We're screwed.
Enemy spy plane above. Bomb deactivated.
Cover you? What do you mean cover you?
Friendly RCXD inbound.
Oh sweet, you got an RCXD.
Friendly spy plane inbound.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Boom! I got B. Me and Ethan are covering B. Drop. Where is he coming from? Cardiac squash? What the frick? What kind of name is that? No, they don't. Not today. I just gotta, like, that was a triple kill. Alright, go to B. There's like freaking thousands of people there. No way. Yep, they just killed me. Oh, jeez.
Coordinates received. Firing for effect.
Let's see, how many parts did we do to notch Totem? Did we do like 3 parts? Yeah, we did 3 parts. No, I think we did 3 on Notch Totem because we had to go do 1 part, then 2 part, we died, and then we went to 3 part. Okay, yeah. So, and then we did like 2 parts on, no, we didn't do a part on Derice. No Derice. Now we're doing Demolition, and then I gotta go back and film episode 3. I have to go and film episode 3 of Minecraft Survivalists.
Our XR-71 is in the air.
Yeah, so that's gonna be fun.
Friendly mortars inbound.
Because it freaking didn't upload because it was 16 minutes long, and because it can't be over 10 minutes. Because, well, it can be like a little bit over, like 13 minutes. It can only be like 13 something minutes long. It can't be like 36 minutes like my first episode. The first video I ever did was 36 minutes long. Lord, it sucked. It took literally 2 days for it to upload, and it didn't even upload because it was way past 10 minutes. Shoot, dude, it was past 30. It was past 20 minutes. It was past 30 minutes. Jeez. I'll guard right here. Got my emblem right there.
Coordinates received. Firing for effect. Spy plane ready for deployment.
I got spy plane.
Spy plane standing by. Our spy plane in the air.
Shot in the back, shot in the face, shot in the back, shot in the butt, shot in the nut. I just got shot everywhere. Shot in the shoulder, shot in the elbow. Oh crap!
Enemy
Okay,
spy plane incoming.
I'm gonna go for it. Y'all gonna help me?
The bomb has been planted.
Crap! Alright, we can get it, guys. We can get it. We can get it. We can get it, though. Don't give up on yourself. We can get it. We can get it. No, we can't. No, we can't. Oh. I was about to just sit there and give up, and you're like, don't give up, don't give up. Crap, yeah, it's over. It's over, dude. It's over. No, no, stop. It's over.
We lost that round. But it's not over yet. Get ready for the next one.
Alright. We're gonna have to do a part 3. Part 2.
Destroy the